Finally.
It is.
I'm your biggest fan, buddy.
Got a little bit of a kick that thing.
Oh man, there's like a tequila in it.
It's a cup of tea, right?
Fuck, it's a cup of tea with tequila, what?
Like another radio shit Mexican.
This song I just fucking love because it's just kind of a fuck you to a lot of things, so just, I don't know, it's just fucking beautiful, so here we go. Well, a teacher of mine once told me life was just a list of disappointments and defeats, and you could only do your best. And I said, well, that's a fucking cop-out. You're just washed up and you're tired. And when I get to your age, well, I won't be such a coward. But these days I should have known to shout on my TV. And punk rock didn't live up to what I hoped that it could be, and all the things that I believed with all my heart when I was young. Just posters for beers and clean surfaces for drugs. And I packed all my pamphlets and my Bibles in the back of the shelf. Well, it was bad enough the feeling the first time it hit, when you realize your parents had let the world all go to shit. The values and ideals for which many had fought and died are being killed off in the committees and left to die by the wayside. But it was worse when we turned to the kids on the left and got let down again by some poor excuse for protest. Yeah, by idiot fucking hippies in 50 different factions who were locked inside some kind of 60s battle reenactment. I hung up my banner in disgust and I head for the door. All at once, we were young and we were crowds and left to live, introduced to live and learn. Let's make all our mistakes again. And then surely, just for one day, yeah, we can fight and we can win. And only for a little while, we can insist on the impossible. Well, we've been a good few hours drinking, so I'm gonna say what everyone's thinking. If we're stuck on this ship and it's sinking, then we might as well have a parade. So it's still gonna hurt in the morning, and the better plans yet to get forming. Then we're not spending any evening and money in the old barricade. So come on, our friends in the streets, let's be 1905, 1917. Let's be heroes, let's be martyrs, let's be radical thinkers. We'll never have to test drive the least of their dreams. Divide up the world into the damned and the sane. Right to the valley like the old life brigade. Straight in our backs and we won't be afraid. We'll celebrate our deaths with a national parade. So come on, let's be young, let's be fast enough to care. Let's refuse to live and learn. Let's make all our mistakes again, yes. And then darling, just for one day, yeah, we can fight and we can win. Only for a little while, we can insist on the impossible. Leave the morning to the morning, a pen can be filled with aspirin tablets, insulin pills, memories of